The first step to fixing a laptop screen is powering off the laptop completely, unplugging everything connected to the laptop, and moving everything around for some room. Alright, let's flip the laptop over and take the battery out, just so we're 100% sure there's no energy or electricity going inside. For the HP Pavilion G7 and most Pavilion series laptops, you'll see two little screws right here and right here. They're protected usually by a little plastic wrapping, like a plastic, like squishy type material. Go ahead and remove those screws. Once you've gotten the screws off, come around back to the front, and you're going to very gently push your finger down and try to find a good spot. You want to hear that clicking. Very gentle. It's kind of rough doing it, but just make sure you're not damaging the actual laptop. Gently run your finger through. And then you're going to take your laptop, come around, and you're going to, where this edge is, also just pull it out. Once again, they come in handy. Alright, once it's off, very gently remove the plastic shell and discard it in a corner where it will be safely kept. I found the easiest way to remove the actual laptop panel is to start by taking the two screws up here. Make sure you're being very delicate with what you're doing. After you've done that, it exposes the screws on this side and this side, the little small ones. You're going to want to take a protective cover, lay it on your keyboard, and very gently set this down. there should be a protective tape on this little wire right here. So gently just, once again, pull up that old tape. Once it's securely fitted, just put all the original tape smack down. Let's start putting the panel back on. Put the main lid cover back on. Make sure all of those fragile wires are tucked back in. Put back on the 2 screws that you took off in the very beginning.